Hi, everybody. Welcome. My name is Margarita, and this is
Michael.
Hi, Michael.
Hi.
What are we doing today, Michael?
We are going to be making pizzas.
Yay! Who likes pizza?
Me.
Me too. I'm so happy you all are here today on this fun family pizza night. To get us started, what is the first thing we need to do, Michael?
Turning on the oven.
Okay, who can turn on the oven?
Grown-ups.
A grown-up can turn on the oven. I am going to turn on the oven to 450 degrees. And while the oven is warming up, we can put our toppings on the pizza. Okay, what are we using today for our toppings, Michael?
We're using pineapple.
We got pineapple.
Cheese.
We got cheese.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. What else?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, yum.
Olives.
Oh, yummy.
Tomatoes and bell peppers.
Wow. And what are you gonna use for your toppings? Are you gonna use it all, or are you gonna use some of it?
I'm gonna use some of it.
Some of it. I'm gonna use a little bit of everything. Now, what are we using for our crust?
What do you mean? Oh, we are using bread.
We're using pita bread. So
Yeah, pita bread.
we're gonna start putting our toppings on our pizza. Let me show you how we're gonna do this. Let's see if I can do this right. Okay, let's see. Can you see that? Okay, so what are we putting on first?
The tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Okay, where are you gonna put on what side?
I want to put on this side.
Okay, me too. You can choose which side you wanna put it on.
And I'm gonna use 2 scoops.
2 tablespoons full of tomato sauce.
One, 2.
Okay. Oh, and you're spreading it. Nice. That looks yummy. Do you like tomato sauce?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you think you need more? Or
Yes.
do you think that's enough?
One more scoop in the middle.
You need one more in the middle. Oh, you like? Come on. Lots of sauce on your pizza.
Yes.
Okay. And he's spreading it all over, making sure he covers his whole pita bread with tomato sauce. Can I have a turn with the sauce?
Yes.
Okay, it's my turn. So we're taking turns because we only have 1 spoon. For me, I'm only gonna use 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. You can use as many as you want. Just make sure that everybody gets some tomato sauce for their pizza. Okay, 1 tablespoon for me. Okay, what are you gonna put on next, Michael?
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, he's gonna use cheese. He uses a little tiny pinch of cheese. Go ahead, sorry.
I'm gonna use second pinch.
Second pinch of cheese.
It's too long.
That one is too long and that looks good. You need some more, is that enough?
This is enough.
Okay, for me, I'm gonna use a medium size pinch of cheese because I do like a lot of cheese. When it melts, I love it.
That's smart.
Want some more on yours too?
Yeah, I want it to have cheese.
Okay, he wants some more on his pizza. And you can put on as much as you want or as little as you want. Just make sure there is enough for everybody. Okay. Any more cheese for yours?
No.
That's enough? Okay. So we put the cheese aside. What else are you gonna put on your pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, yum. Do you like pepperoni?
Yeah, and I am going to use 3.
3?
Actually,
3 little circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I am only gonna use 1 circle of pepperoni and I'm gonna put it in the middle, right there. Just 1 for me is enough. What else can we use?
Pineapple.
Yum. You like pineapple?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go first. I'm gonna spread pineapple around my pepperoni because I like it. Do you want some pineapple?
No, thank you.
Michael says no thank you for pineapple, and that's okay. Okay. What else are you gonna use?
I'll use a couple tomatoes.
Tomatoes, a couple pieces of tomatoes. He's using 1, 2 pieces of tomatoes. What else would you like for your pizza?
I think that's all.
That's all. How about bell peppers?
No, thank you.
Olives?
No.
No, thank you. Okay, for me, I'm gonna use tomatoes. 1, 2, 3 pieces of tomatoes. And I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of bell peppers. They're very small pieces. I cut it very small. And I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of olives.
Then I put an extra pepperoni.
Oh, you put some more pepperoni on yours?
Yeah, because I really like pepperoni. Pepperoni is my favorite.
Oh, yum. Okay. Do you want to add anything else before it goes in the oven?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. So our pizzas are ready to go in the oven. Okay, now who can put the pizzas in the oven?
Grown-ups.
A grown-up can put the pizza in the oven. So let's see. Okay. My oven is not warm up yet. So let me see. Okay, actually it is ready. My oven is ready to go. And I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven. Children, please stay back. Remember, the oven is really hot. And I am gonna put this in there so I don't want anybody to get burned. Okay. So in the oven. And we are going to leave the pizza in the oven for 10 minutes. There they are. There is our pizzas in the oven. 10 minutes. Meanwhile, while the pizza is cooking, let's go read some books or maybe sing some songs. And the pizzas are ready. So an adult, a grown-up, is gonna take it out. Oh, yeah! Let me put them in a plate so I can show you what they look like. Let me get a plate. And you can see it. It is Michael's pizza. Hot. Let it wait to cool off a little bit. It's really, really hot. Let it cool and then we will eat it. What they look like. They're all cooked. Look. Yum. Enjoy. I hope you have fun.